Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now if you are looking at this face for the very first time, hello, my name is Phalak. I make lifestyle, makeup, haul videos, basically anything beauty related on this channel, and you are most welcome to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you like this video, then please comment down below. I will be talking about my third month's fab bag in this video, which is the January Fab bag. I have a subscription of 6 months and I have posted 2 more videos which is already up on my channel. If you want to watch it, then I will be mentioning an I button somewhere on the screen, and I will be linking the videos in the description bar for you all, just so you can go and check that video. Now without any further ado, to see what is inside this month's fab bag, let's just get into the video. So let me first show you how the January Fab bag looks like. So it looks something like this. It matches my nails too, but it looks something like this. I really love this rust color. I'm really happy that I received this color because it's so pretty, and this time the bag is very spacious. Okay, so it has a lot of space inside. Also, it comes with the Fab bag logo as always. So it looks something like this, which is super pretty. Now I will be showing you what is inside the Fab bag this month, but let me tell you the theme of this month. So this is the January Reset Fab bag. Since January is the first month of the year, so that is why they have named it as a January Reset Fab bag, which is quite cool in my opinion, and I really love the name of it. Now I will show you the products inside it, and you guys will definitely love it. I will be showing you the star of the bag towards the end of the video. So if you want to see that, then please continue watching. Watch it till the end so that you know what is inside the bag. You will get stunned. Oh my god, I just flipped when I saw that. And if you want to see it, then please wait, because I'm going to be showing you everything. Before digging into the products and telling you what exactly did I receive this month, I'm going to be telling you a little about the Fab bag, what exactly it is. So Fab bag is a monthly subscription wherein you can buy this bag for some price. Like if you want to buy a 1 month Fab bag, it will cost you rupees 599, which is 600 rupees, and you can get the subscription of these bags directly from the website www.fabbag.com. It is a very easy method to buy this subscription. You may have the subscription for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months and a 12 month. So if you increase the month, the cost decreases. For example, if you buy the subscription for 3 months, the cost of the bag will get down to 533 per month, but you have to make a one-time payment, which is 1800 rupees. Right now the 3-month subscription will cost you around 1600 rupees, which is at 11% off, so you can buy that. I mean, it is a steal because you usually get stuff for rupees 2500 to 3000 in 1 month's Fab bag. So it is a great. That was all about Fab bag and how you can purchase it. Now let's talk about the products, that what I've received in this month's Fab bag. So starting off with the first product, it is the Water Multivitamin and Rejuvenating Night Cream Night Infusion. It looks something like this, and it is a 30-gram of a product. The MRP of it is 700 rupees. Now if you look at the texture is very thick and it is very moisturizing. It is a night cream and an eye cream. You can use it as an eye cream and a night cream, and it is thick, and I really love how hydrating. It is a very faint fragrance. For somebody who gets headaches if they put too much of fragrance on their face, this product will not give you a headache because this is a very mild fragrance. This is not too heavy on also, it says this luxury moisture rich night cream is clinically proven to help increase cell renewal and delay premature aging, and it is for all skin types. I believe it is one of the very luxurious products because it is very thick and very moisturizing. You will feel a good difference if you'll use it constantly, and it is made in India as well. So I am not too sure about the brand. I've never used this, but I'm very excited to be using this. Now the other product in the fab bag is the Skinlicious Cucumber Gel with aloe vera and coffee berry. Now it can be used on your skin and on your hair as it mentions, and it is an Ayurvedic recipe, 100% botanical extract. The bottle is 100 milliliters and it is for 300 rupees, you guys, and I have used it, like I used it today. It is a very nice combination of aloe vera and cucumber and coffee berry. I really loved it on my skin. It is again for all skin and hair types. This one has an expiry of 36 months, so you can use it for 36 months from now. Also, it is made in India, like the night. Is 100 milliliter of a product. I am very excited to be using it more. It is one of the usual products which every girl must have. I believe if somebody wants to try something new in terms of aloe vera gel, they can get their hands on this. So I will be using it more and will tell you how I feel about it. But for now, I really like it because I've used it in the morning and I think it is a good product. So the next product that I got is a nail enamel. It is not just an ordinary nail enamel, it is a holographic nail enamel. I'm not too sure if you can see it, but let me try and show it to you all. The color looks something like I am wearing, but minus the glitter, and it is a very beautiful rusty color, just like the fab bag. It says that it is non-toxic and it has 9 free formula, out of which they have listed quite a few. It says it has no parabens and a list of other ingredients which are not in this. Retails for 500 rupees and is 8 milliliter of a product. The packaging is also very nice, very classy. It has this lion made on it with the crown. Color is corporate hollow 007 and it retails for 500 as I've told you. Even though I don't use nail enamels, but I'm gonna be surely using this one. This one I'm really excited to use because it is holographic. You guys, are you doing your maths? Because till now we have almost received products worth 1500 rupees and there's even more. So these are the 3 products that I received, but the star of the bag is still to be shown. Are you excited to know what exactly did I get in this month's fab bag, which is the star? I will show you in a bit and you will get excited like I am. So this month fab bag came with this. Oh my god, you guys. It came with the lipstick set of 4. Now I will be showing you the lipsticks, but first can we just take a moment and appreciate the tin packaging on the lipsticks. It is amazing. The box is very quirky, very sturdy. I really love it. Once you open this, it comes with foam sheet to protect the lipsticks, and look at that. It comes with 4 very beautiful shades that I am just in awe of. I really love how beautiful all the shades are. It is a very well made package for somebody who likes colors and somebody who likes nude. It is for everybody, so everybody gets something or the other in this box. Now before getting on to the swatches, let me tell you the price of this whole box. This whole box retails for 1200 rupees. Since this retails for 1200 rupees, we have already received products for 1500, making the total of the bag 2700. So this time we've received goods for 2700. In the bag, lipstick inside it is towards the brown nude side. The second is in the red family. The third is a very brick color, like a brick red. And fourth is something fuchsia. The color placement in this box is very well thought of and very well put together. Now, I will be showing you the swatches of each. So the first shade that is in my hand is 01 Tranquil Brown. Looks something like nice this. Packaging very classy. It has their logo here. It says C2P Professional Makeup. Look at the swatch, you guys. Just amazing. Now the swatch looks something like this. Look at the color. I absolutely love it, and it is one of my favorite colors. If you know me, you'd know that. It will suit any skin type. Very well thought of, very well made color. I really love how pigmented these lipsticks are. Let's move on to the second shade, which is the red. It is a color which is loved by a lot of girls, and including me. So it looks something like this. Oh my god, it is a stunning red. Again, the pigmentation is amazing. It will look really nice on many skin types, including the dusky skin. If you were looking for a red shade that would suit you, your find is over. You need this in your life and you're sorted. I would recommend you to buy the fab bag instead of buying the kit, because the fab bag would cost you 600 rupees and the whole kit would cost you 1200 something. So it will be a great opportunity for somebody who wants to have this kit but don't want to spend 1200 rupees. You can definitely buy the bag altogether and can save so much of coin, you guys. So the third shade looks something like this. It is a very beautiful wine color. Now, while I'm swatching this, I realized that this could be a great kit for somebody who's getting married, because it has all the beautiful shades that a bride would need in her trousseau or in her vanity. So this is definitely something that you must have, I believe. So you can get your hands on it. By the way, the name of this is Arctic Vineyard and the name of this is Immortal Ruby. Yeah, Immortal Ruby 02 and this is 03. Arctic Vineyard. So yeah, now let's talk about a fourth shade, which is one of my favorite shades in this kit. It is a fuchsia color. I don't have space on my hand, but it looks really beautiful. I really love this color. This is 04 Lustrous Fuchsia. So those were the shades inside this kit, and I would definitely suggest you, if you are somebody who likes to collect lipsticks and who loves lipsticks and who loves to try different brands altogether, this is something that you must definitely get your hands on. Also, as I told you, it will be such a great piece for somebody who is going to get married pretty soon. Also, you can gift it to somebody, so it is a good gifting option as well. So that's that for this month's fab bag. I really hope that you like all the products inside it as much as I do. The star for me definitely has to be this. So if you want to know how exactly all these lipsticks look on me, then you have to head on to my Instagram to know about that. I will mention my Instagram handle on the screen just so you know where to go. It is Makeup by Phalak Kohli on Instagram. So it would mean a lot if you could go and follow me on there as well. If you like this video, then you know what you have to do. You have to like this video, comment down below and tell me what exactly is your favorite product out of the January Fab bag. I know for sure it has to be lipsticks. Just tell me in the comments if it is. So please hit the subscribe button and the bell notification next to it so that you get notified every time I post my next video. Also, please spread a word in your family and friends and share my video with them so that they can also see and know about the Fab bag. And if you want me to do any other video, then please recommend me what you want to see and I will definitely post that for you all. This is all for this month's Fab bag. I really hope that you like it. If you like such videos, then please tell me in the comments. I will keep making more such videos like this. And this is it for this video. I will see you in the next one now. Bye.